What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we're going to be checking out the fitness headphones by Raycon. Can the Raycons stack up to headphones like Beats? These fitness headphones offer water resistance, ANC, swappable ear cushions, up to 45 hours of battery life, and a foldable design for about $120. Guys, if this is your first time stopping by the channel, please do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it, and the channel does too. Raycon fitness headphones, let's jump into it.
You want me, don't you?
So what's in the box when you get your Raycon fitness headphones? Honestly, for a $120 pair of headphones, you get a decent amount of included accessories. First off, we're presented with a box that says Raycon on the front. And off first impressions, the presentation is done well. Inside, you get an envelope with the words powering up. That kind of reminds me of an unboxing of an Xbox controller or a PC controller. In the envelope is where we find our reading information. Welcome to the Raycon Club and a QR code to sign up. A quick start guide, and you know I suggest reading this because it has useful information about the product, like how to connect the headphones to your phone and using some of the play control functions offered. More on this later. You get some cool looking blue pattern ear cushions that feel comfortable in the hand. Not really my style, but I like that they were included in the box anyway. We get our cables, USB Type A to USB Type C for charging, and a surprise aux cable, aka a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable, meaning you can use these headphones plugged into your Xbox or PS5 controller. That's just dope. The Raycon fitness headphones. But before we get to those, we get more ear cushions, this time in black, that have a nice mesh breathable feel to them. I can't lie, I'll probably be swapping out the current ear cushions for these. Finally, the Raycon fitness headphones. For $120, the headphones feel like they cost more. The design has elements of the Beats Solo 3 headphones in my opinion, especially the placement of the Raycon logo. Taking a look around the headphones, on the right bottom side, we get a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which comes in clutch if you're like me. On the bottom left side, we find the USB-C charging port next to a little LED indicator power/charging light. Moving to the side of the right ear cup, here's our volume up and down buttons. That also doubles as skip track forward or backwards, and our power button that can also be used to pause and play music or hang up calls. Back on the left ear cup, your ANC button lives and gives you three different listening choices: ANC on, awareness mode, and ANC off, aka normal mode. Each of these options can be activated by pushing the ANC button and cycling through the listening styles. At this point, you're probably wondering, well, what's the sound quality like coming from these headphones? And honestly, I'm not blown away, and neither should you be for $120. The sound coming from the Raycon fitness headphones is good at best, but in most cases, just decent. Voices do come in clear when taking calls and listening to music, but the bass is just not there for me, at least not like I'd hope it would be. In terms of loudness, the headphones do a good job of getting loud. At max volume, you can take them off, walk away, and still hear them from a distance. When it comes to features like ANC and of course sweat/water resistance for working out, I feel the Raycon fitness headphones shine. These are the headphones you want to use when working out, unlike the Beats that slide right off your ear once you start sweating. One letdown with these headphones is the awareness mode, which is accessed by pushing the ANC button. I found this mode to be more distracting than useful, and it really just sounded like static mixed with background noise. One random thing too that's just diabolical with these headphones. When you power them on, Ray J sings.
Raycon, Raycon.
This threw me off completely, and I might have bit the bullet so you guys didn't have to. Nah, I'm kidding, guys. All in all, for $120, the Raycon fitness headphones might be slept on. They offer a nice design that's even compact, ANC, water resistance, up to 45 hours of battery life, swappable, and extra ear cushions with an aux cable. When's the last time you got this many included accessories with your headphones? Guys, drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think of the Raycon Fitness headphones. Will you be picking a pair up or are you passing on these? Whatever your thoughts are, I love to hear them in the comment section, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. This man said, Raycon.